Hello, AANP members. Just a quick preview of the upcoming webinar in the Career Success Bootcamp series. On September 7th, we are taking a deep dive on professional boundaries as we look at the top 3 boundary blind spots for healthcare providers. During our time together, we will talk about common situations that can take a turn for the worst and lead to patient complaints and possible board actions. Believe it or not, much of what causes patients to file complaints could be avoided. The problem is that most healthcare providers don't know what preventative measures they can take to reduce the risk until it's too late. And that's what we are going to talk about at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on September 7th. I'm Dr. Greene, and I've served as an expert consultant to multiple state boards for over 12 years. And I will be sharing insight and practical tips on how you can create smart boundaries to protect yourself as a naturopathic physician. I look forward to seeing you there.